Our cities are getting hotter and hotter. Buildings, air conditioning systems, traffic and industrial activities release heat, and that changes the energy balance of urban areas, affecting the environment and the health of citizens. How can we make cities more eco-sustainable? This is the answer that the Urban Fluxes European project is looking for. Getting our cities more sustainable for urban living at a time of climate change is crucial. UN forecasts say that by 2050, around 70% of the world's population will be living in urban areas. This highlights the importance of managing urban-made heat fluxes.
Το έργο Urban Fluxes είναι σημαντικό γιατί για πρώτη φορά
The Urban Fluxes project is important because for the first time, using satellite data, we're able to estimate the energy balance and its time distribution. We can also accurately estimate on a local scale highly concentrated heat spots and high emissions of anthropogenic heat.
Here, on the Greek island of Crete, environmental monitoring stations have been installed in several hotspots.
From this system, we receive data in our laboratory over the internet. We can get the different heat fluxes in the city in real time. Then we compare them with the satellite data, and we produce a global evaluation.
These remote sensing data systems have also been tested in highly urbanized cities like London and Basel.
The station collects weather data. This kind of device in particular measures airspeed, wind direction, air temperature, and the rate of humidity.
Urban Fluxes investigates in depth the city's warming by combining in situ meteorological measurements with the imagery from some of the Earth observation satellites working within the Copernicus program.
It's very important to use the satellites. First, because we can get the distribution of the land surface temperatures. Then, thanks to satellites Sentinel-2 and 3, we can check and see the land surface temperatures several times during the day.
Warming in cities is higher than average, especially during heat waves, and this may significantly influence human mortality.
This research will allow us to give better services in relation to health issues, but also to better manage the consequences of heat waves, which occur more often, especially in areas like southern Europe and the Mediterranean.
This methodology is expected to be easily transferable to any city.
How this research will improve the quality of life of citizens.
As a result of the project, we'll have a spatial distribution of heat emissions on a local scale. And this will be useful to support projects of bioclimatic reconstruction or studies related to improve the city's thermal conditions and the environment.
By taking these studies into account, local communities may be able to support strategies focused on reducing climate change.